Hi, welcome to another edition of Darkwood Bushcraft. What we have found today on Dartmoor is a lovely example of Birch Polypore. As the name implies, it tends to grow on birch trees. It's not an edible fungus, but one of its colloquial names is razor strop fungus. Now, the reason for that is because if you cut slivers of this stuff off, it has a foamy kind of leathery consistency and is really good for stropping your knives on. So it's quite a handy one to know about when you're out and about in the woods. Happy trails, guys.